Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to automatically scale your EC2 instances on AWS using auto scaling groups. Whether your website is suddenly get traffic spike or just want to save money during the low usage hours, AWS auto scaling is the key. I will show step by step how to set up using the AWS Management Console, and it is for completely beginners. So first, what exactly auto scaling group or auto scaling? Auto scaling automatically adjusts the number of EC2 instances in your application based on demand. For example, if you have an e-commerce site and there is a big sale, AWS automatically launches EC2 instance to handle the load. When the traffic drops, it terminates the extra instances and save money. So, what exactly is auto scaling? Auto scaling automatically adjusts the number of EC2 instances in your application based on demand. During the big sales, AWS launches EC2 instances to manage the increased traffic reliably. The benefits of scaling are when traffic drops, extra instances are terminated automatically and save your money. The core components of auto scalings are launch template, auto scaling group, and scaling policies, which are the core components of auto scaling group. Okay, now let's set it up practically. Ready to configure auto scaling for your application? Let's get started. Now, log into your AWS Management Console. From the search bar, type EC2 and open the EC2 dashboard. Before creating the EC2 auto scaling groups, we need to create a launch template. To create a launch template, click on the launch templates in the left menu. Click on create template. Now give a name. My auto scale Now in description, give it the same name. Now let's choose the AMI for our instance. Click on browse instance. Here we need to select the Amazon Linux, which is free tier eligible. Select it. And in the instance type, we need to select the t2.micro. Click on instance type. Select t2.micro, which is free tier eligible. And under the key pair, select the key pair. Here we need to create a security groups and name the security group ASG-SG auto scaling group security groups. Here we need to give the description like simply give the allow. Here we need to add the inbound rules of the security groups. Change the custom TCP to SSH. And add security group and change security group to port 80, which is HTTP. And source is anywhere IPv4. Here also select anywhere IPv4. Now leave the rest default and click create launch template. So this was the first step, which we created our launch template. Now next step is to create auto scaling groups. In the left pane, scroll down and click on auto scaling groups. Here it is. Click on auto scaling group. Here we need to create a auto scaling group. Name it as my auto scaling, and simply select the template which we created. Which is my auto scale. Click on next. Now select your VPC and the subnets. I'm using the default VPC and the subnet is AP-south-1 and click on next. Here we are not attaching any load balancing for our EC2 instances, so simply click on next. Under the group size, set the desired capacity 1 and the minimum capacity is 1. For the maximum capacity, change it from 1 to 3. Under scaling policies, select target tracking policy and set the target value as 50% and click next. Click next and next. Now click on create auto scaling groups. So we successfully created the auto scaling groups. Our next step is to test the auto scaling group. Now let's go to EC2 dashboard. Click on instance. Here we can see that one instance is already launched and it is in running state. Initially there was no running state or no instances are present. As we launch the auto scaling group, the instance is automatically created. Now let us SSH into the instance. Click on connect. I am connecting it to my local terminal. Here hit enter, click on yes. I am successfully connected to the EC2 instance. To test the instance, let us give some states to our EC2 instance. For that, type these commands: sudo su amazon hyphen linux hyphen extras install epel space -y, hit enter. Install stress-y, hit enter. Now here we need to mention how much stress to give to our instance. So the stress should be stress CPU space 2 and the timeout should be 300 seconds and hit enter. Now after few minutes you will notice AWS Auto Scaling launch another EC2 instance. Now let's come back to our EC2 dashboard. Let us see whether the instances are launched or not. Simply refresh it and wait for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we can see that after waiting for 1 to 2 minutes, we can see that new instance was launched. And that's how you set up AWS Auto Scaling groups. You have just built a system that automatically adjusts capacity based on real-time traffic, saving the cost and improving the reliability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AWS tutorials, and comment down below what services would you like me to cover next. Thanks for watching.